Welcome aboard! We're now going in North America and I am Jomel Valorio and I am your tour guide for today.
And I am Janly A. Amora.
Just to let you know, the North America can be divided into three physical regions: mountain and highlands, river basins, and coastal plains. We choose Puerto Rico as our country, and it's located on the continent of North America. It's east of the Dominican Republic and west of Virgin Islands. The geography of Puerto Rico consists of an archipelago located between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean. Its area 9,104 square kilometer. And in addition to that, the government of the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico is a republican form of government with separation of powers, subject to the jurisdiction and sovereignty of the United States. So, as you can see, this is a currency of Puerto Rico. The currencies of Puerto Rico closely follow the historic development of Puerto Rico as a province of Spain, autonomous community, and a territory of the United States. Puerto Rico was granted the use of both foreign and provincial currencies. There are 10 landmarks in Puerto Rico. Some of them are Castillo San Felipe del Morro, Races Fountain, Porque de Bombas, Capilla de Santo Cristo. Before we proceed to your next tour guide, I just want to add some features of Puerto Rico. In terms of natural beauty, Puerto Rico is home to a variety of natural habitats, from coastal to mountainous, where you can find mangrove islands, rainforests, coral reefs, salt flats, bays, unique karst zones, and caves.
History. The Puerto Rico history began with the settlement of the Orthoid people between 430 BC and AD 1000. At the time of Christopher Columbus' arrival in the New World in 1493, the dominant indigenous culture was that of the Tainos. Citizens of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rican citizenship does not exist independently of United States citizenship because Puerto Rico is not an independent, sovereign nation. From 1899 to 1952, legislative acts declared most Puerto Rican residents and natives to be United States citizens. Other features and highlights. Puerto Rico is largely composed of mountainous and hilly terrain, with nearly one-fourth of the island covered by steep slopes. The mountains are the easternmost extension of a tightly folded and faulted ridge that extends from the Central American mainland across the northern Caribbean to the Lesser Antilles. The three major ports of Puerto Rico are Port of San Juan, Aguadilla, and Huanica Port.